Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship from AliExpress. So in the AliExpress application you should search for products with good reviews, fast shipping and reliable sellers. Save the links for future or save product images of the ones that you want to sell. And then set up your own online store using external platforms. For example, it could be Instagram shop or TikTok shop, Amazon, whatever that suits you the best. And once your store is ready, you can upload the product photos and write clear and simple description of your product that you sell in your own words. And then in the very end you should set a price that covers the AliExpress costs, shipping, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order in your shop, whether it's Instagram shop, TikTok shop, or whatever else, go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and address. The AliExpress seller ships the item directly to your customer, and that's very convenient because you don't need to hold any inventory, because it's basically drop shipping. One more thing that you should always provide your customer with tracking information. Give your customer any updates if there are any updates, and answer questions if they occur as fast as possible. So that's how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress using your phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.